Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut an image using circuit design space on your iPhone. This is perfect for sticker, paper cup, and more. Let's get started. Open the circuit design space on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from App Store using searching. If you don't have it, download it from App Store by searching circuit design space. On the home screen, tap New Project. This opens a blank canvas where you will prepare your image. To add your image, tap on Image, select from your photo library, choose the image you want to cut, or you can tap Image to pick a design from Circuit library. If you uploaded your own picture, Circuit will ask you to remove the background, remove tools to erase background, restore tools to bring back parts, crop tools to trim edges. Tap next, then select cut image. Your image is now on the canvas. Pinch with two fingers to resize it. Drag to move it around. Make sure it's the size of your material or when everything looks good, tap the green make it button. Choose how you want to cut, on mat, without mat, on card mat, then tap continue. Pick the material you use in cardstock or sticky paper. Follow the screen instruction and load the mat into your circuit. Press the go on your circuit machine and it will start cutting your image. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.